Yes, you most welcome once again, dear listeners, dear viewers. So as usual, we want to continue from where we ended last time. And we are still continuing with application rules of logarithms. Last time we looked at how to simplify some expressions in cases given, or else you can be able to formulate it yourself and you can be able to simplify it, and that you can be able to get the simplest value that is required or you are interested in at the moment. I promise you that we shall continue by looking at other applications in terms of calculation, and this came round we shall solve some equations unknown. We shall also look at a certain example under simultaneous equations, and we shall also look at a certain example under quadratic equations. You also find other equations that you are interested in solving when you are applying those rules of logarithm when they have the unknown. For example, we can begin with this one, which is very simple. In our case, we are saying that in case, for example, here we are looking at solving what? Logarithmic equations. We are looking at solving logarithmic what? Equations. So how can we solve the logarithmic equation? Let us begin with the simplest example. Number one. You can also look at that one and you see. We are saying that you can also solve logarithm of 1 in logarithm of, you can solve the value of y, or you can solve for y in logarithm base 10 of y squared equals what? 2 solutions. Logarithm 10 y squared equals 2. In this case, we are saying that 10 squared is equal to y squared. No, y squared is equal to 10 squared. For this case, we are saying that this is y squared equals 10 squared. You can take square root, and instead of the logarithm, the square root of the number is always plus or what? Negative. But 10 squared is the same as what? 10, because this one is good at the square. The half, this is the root, which is the same as power, a half. So the half goes with this one, these two here, and remain the same. However, we are interested in logarithm. Okay? For this case, we are interested in what? In logarithm. Logarithm of y squared. Let us see. And if you prove, for this answer here, remember, there is no logarithm of a negative number. You should always remember that. There is no logarithm of a negative what? Number. So in case you prove here, you are saying that you are dealing with logarithm of the negative number, you count also. You know what you are supposed to get. What is, for example, if you get 10, like you test it here, and you get 10, you put it here, post it, still you remain with logarithm of what? 100. But if y equals negative 10, still you put it here, still you get logarithm of what? 100, because it will be negative 10, what? Squared. So all the values remain positive. So for this case here, we shall have two values of y. Positive and what? Negative. But in case it was just y, you get two values, negative 1. So for that case, we are interested in the what? In the positive value. Make sure that the y, the value that is here is positive. Now you take the positive, but in this case you can take both because the square will always return that negative there in that case. So here, we shall see that y can be equal to that. You can also look at number 3. Maybe logarithm of what? You can for the solution whereby there is 2 base x, then minus logarithm 4x maybe equals 3. We can take that concept there and also solve this one here. We see what we can do in that case. We are solving for what? For x. We are solving for x. So if we are solving for x, what do you do? That's now the concept that we are interested in that case. When you look at that one there, you can see that the bases are different. X and what? And 2. And we are looking for the value of x. So for this case, we shall use change of base. And the concept of that one, we use change of what? Base. We change the base. We can change from 2 to x, or you can change from x to what? To 2. But for simplicity, we always advise that for simplicity, make sure that you change from the unknown base to the known base for you to be able to get the answer very fast, so that it doesn't disturb you. Change from the unknown base and deal with the what? The known. Since everyone is always interested in known, you can't deal with any unknown. If you are dealing with something that you don't know, it is always very hard to defeat it. So we always go for the known. Okay. You first know the enemy before you can be able to defend yourself. But in case you are defending yourself but you don't know the enemy, you are sick, but you don't know what you are suffering from. You can't cure the disease. That's why you are always advised that you go for testing. So that someone knows that you are suffering from malaria. That's when you'll be able to get the tab that are responsible for curing malaria in that case. So for us here, we are interested in deal with the knowns. Make sure that you are not dealing with unknown. So change from the unknown base to the known, so that you deal with the known base. Saying that, logarithm 2x minus. Change of base. What do we say? We want to change from base x to base what? This is the one we are changing. So 4 2 over logarithm, then x, then it equals 3. Then you see that this one is the same as this one. You can let it. You say that logarithm x2 equal to negative p, and then this is p minus log 2 4 over p equal to 3. So p minus this one is logarithm 2 squared over p equal to 3. So p minus log 2 log 2 over p equal to 3. This one is the 1, so p minus 2 over p is equal to 3. Multiply all through by p. So that this is p squared minus 2 is equal to 3. What? We arrange p squared minus 3p minus 2 is equal to what? Is equal to 3. So you can see a quadratic equation in terms of what? In terms of that expect everyone to do what? So for this case, we say that p squared minus 3p minus 2 is equal to what? To 0. So that p, in this case, we say that the sum, let us use factorization method. The sum equals negative 3, then product is equal to negative 2. The factors, in this case, this is all the factors of 2 and c. We have 1 and 2. If we modify this one and this one, you see what we get. That's negative 1, negative 2. If you add, you get negative. If you multiply, you can be able to get what? You can be able to get that 2 there in that case. For that scenario there. When you look at this one here, you see that this question here doesn't have factors. Look at this negative 3p, then this is what? Negative p. So the negative 2. So these factors, you can't add this one to get this. So you can add this one to get this one, but you can't multiply to get what? To get that one. So for that case, we have to say that you don't have what? You don't have factors. You look for other possible what? For other possible methods that you can use. For example, which possible method? You can use the bulldozer, that quadratic formula to get the answer. You can complete also squares, just in case you don't have what? Factors. However, if, and for me, I modify this question here, and I say that we simplify, solve for x. So we don't have any factors here that I'll use the same approach. Then after using the same approach, I'll write it here whereby I'll have b squared minus 3, then plus 2 equals what? 0. This is the one I'll end with when I solve this one here. And when I solve this one here, that like the sum is equal to negative 3, then product will be equal to what? It's equal to 2. Then factors will be equal to negative 1, negative 1. So that when I add the 2, I get negative 3, and when I multiply, I get positive what? Positive 2. So when I do that one, I see that here, when you solve this one using any method of your choice, if it is factors, you can substitute it here, you follow the steps very well, and you'll be able to get the values of what? Of p. The values of p I expected to get will be p equals to 1, and p is equal to what? Those are the values I expected. But no one gave you p in the question. Someone is interested in what? In the value of x. You remember where I brought in p from? P was here. You say that p is equal to this, so that it's equal to. So you deal with 1 by 1 log of 2x is equal to what? 1. What about x is equal to 2000, which is equal to log of what? Of 2x is equal to what? 2. So x is equal to 2 squared and is equal to what? 4. So you have x is equal to 1 and x is equal to what? 4. They are all positive values, and according to this one here, the question is having x and x here. So the x you should get should be positive value. None of the x value should be what? Should be negative. As you are concluding in the what? In the answer. So that's the way how you can go with that one and you reach the final one, the final answer. We are remaining with one part that I wanted to apply under this under rules of what? Logarithm application. That is solving what? Simultaneous equations that involve what? Logarithm. That one will be done in the next session. Don't miss that next session. Don't move behind and subscribe. Or for questions, go to the comment section right there, or else send me questions via my emails. We shall chat and we answer, or else WhatsApp me on 0758876705. We can be able to contact. I wish you the best. Thank you for viewing. Nice time.